Alright, I'm going to show y'all something and I want your opinion. Come on, I need subscribers. Alright, hang on. Here we go. Right there. That's a deer whistle. One on each side. Supposedly they keep deer away. Anyway, I put them on my truck. They've been around for decades, and I want your opinion on are they any good or not, or just a money grabbing thing. But as you can see, my Tacoma has not hit a deer yet, so I think they're pretty good. I'm not sure. I want opinions, so please subscribe and let me know what you think.